Welcome to KTalk with Lee. I am Lee. Today, I will show you how to book a train ticket in Korea using the official Korail website. First, open your browser and go to Korail.com. You will see the official Korail website. Even if you can't read Korean, remember this icon. You can also check that the address below the Korean name says www.korail.com to make sure you are on the correct website. Once you are on the website, you will see a screen like this. If the page appears in Korean, don't worry. In the top right corner, you will find the language option. Click it and change the language to English or your preferred language. Now let's take a look at the main page. On the left, you will see About Korail, and on the right, Tickets. You can click Tickets to start your reservation, or you can simply enter your departure station, arrival station, travel date, and number of passengers directly on the main screen below. For this example, I'll set the Daegu as the departure station and Seoul as the destination. Select your travel date here. I usually leave the departure time blank and click Search to see all available trains. Your preferred departure time might not be available. Click the passenger section and select the number of adults. If you are traveling with children, simply adjust the number here as well. Now click Search. If a pop-up window appears, simply close it. Here you will see all available trains and departure times. As you can see, many trains are already sold out. If all the tickets are sold out, you can check another date. Use the arrow at the top, move forward or backward one day, or click the calendar icon to select a different date. You can also change your departure and arrival station here. I will choose an economy class seat. Now, let's look at the option in the bottom right corner. You will find train timetable, train fare, seat selection. If you click train timetable, you can see all the stations along the route and the arrival time at each station. Train fare lets you check the ticket price before making a reservation. Now, let's click seat selection. At the top, you can select the train number to see which seats are still available. The gray seats are already taken. The blue seats face forward. The green seats face backward. If you tend to get motion sickness, you may want to choose a forward-facing seat. Also, if you select two seats that face each other, there will be a table in the middle and you will be sitting face to face with the passengers across from you. That's great if you are traveling with friends or family, but it may feel a little uncomfortable if you are sitting across from strangers. Before confirming your seat, let's click Train Interior Preview. Here you can see what the inside of the train looks like. You can also click through the images to view different train cars. Now let's go back. Choose a train you would like to take, then check the available seats. As you can see, seats are already filling up. If you are traveling on a weekend, I highly recommend booking at least 2 weeks in advance. Click Apply Selection to save your seat, then click Reservation. Now it's time to complete your reservation. Enter your email address here. Create a password that you will be able to remember easily since you will need it later to manage your reservation. Check the agreement box, then click Next. You will see your reservation information including your email address. Click Next again to review your train details and ticket price. Under Payment Information, choose either an international Visa card or a Korean credit card depending on the card you will be using. Then enter your card information to complete the payment. You may also see an option to choose whether you are using a personal card or business card. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helps make booking your first train ticket in Korea simple and stress-free. Have a safe trip, and thanks for watching.